Good news, finally we install our ladder. It's really easy to remove it. Sometimes I have difficult to get on top of the car to remove the big ladder or to put mattress, something like that. So many years so many years that I want a good ladder, a ladder that will fit the length of my feet, is strong, is heavy. Actually, it's for me and Sonia, of course, and everybody that works with us. Before we put a green ladder, but it was difficult for me to step on it. So this is the good news. Be careful. It's not heavy at all. A little bit more. That's it. Ooh, awesome. Love it.